It's March 2nd, 2011, and they predicted a really big windstorm for us here in the southern Gulf Islands out of the southwest coast. It's a southern magnolia blowing there with a native arbutus tree in the background there rolling in the ocean. It's pretty blustery out here. Yeah. Holy smokers, yeah, right on the water. Could be a lot worse than really bad. That's what it looks like on the water. There is a light chop in here. It's a little bit more sheltered here, Ganges Harbor. And on the outer islands, man, I would not want to be out there right now. It's probably really nasty. It's still early morning here. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning here. So not so bad. These do take the full brunt of it when the southeasterlies come sailing down the harbor here. And they still look pretty good though, despite getting battered about by winds. It is a beautiful day out here. Typical March weather. Sunny, rainy, sunny, and it's mild out. It's about, I guess about 8 degrees here right now. Something like that. We're doing a lot of pruning in the park.